Computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and needs instructions to work. The most important program in a computer is the operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the computer hardware.
It controls all the activities of a computer. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface, GUI, pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. Now, time for a fact file.
He is Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft. Let me first tell you about the features of Windows. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 1.0.
Since then, many versions of Windows have been released.
The most popular Windows versions are
Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7.
Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows has become very popular because of the following features. Attractive. The use of beautiful graphics make Windows a very attractive operating system. Let us take an example. We always like pictures rather than simple text. If a story is told through pictures, also known as graphics, it becomes more interesting and can be remembered for a long time. This is the reason we prefer to see a movie rather than reading its story. Easy to use. Windows is very easy to use. The use of graphics make it very interactive. We can give commands with the help of a mouse rather than typing with a keyboard. Supports multitasking.
Windows can perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying music using Windows Media Player. Now let's learn how to start Windows. When we switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically and displays a welcome message. It is followed by the first screen of Windows known as the desktop.
It contains the symbols of the application stored in the computer. These symbols are known as icons. The two most important icons on the desktop are Computer and Recycle Bin. Computer. Using Computer folder, we can access all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving and copying files in a computer. Recycle bin. When we delete a file or folder, it goes to the recycle bin. Let me now tell you about the taskbar. The taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen. It has the Start button on its left side and Notification area on its right side. The Notification area contains the clock and icons for programs that usually run in the background. For example, the antivirus program. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the four sides of the desktop. Whenever we run a program, its button is automatically placed on the taskbar. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar button. Clicking on the button again will minimize the application window. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade and appears to be pushed in. The Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between active programs. Let us now discuss about the Start button. This is probably the most used button on the taskbar. When we click on the Start button, a menu displaying the major applications appears. You can open any application by clicking on any one of them.
Do you know the fact that Linux is also a very popular operating system software? It is available free of cost.
Okay, now let us discuss about files and folders. File. A file is a collection of related information stored together. As we keep important papers in a file, similarly any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. Each file is a given file name that helps us to find it easily later on. Folder. As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly a folder is like a cabinet where we keep the related files.
A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Now let us do a quick view. The shortcut to create a new file is Ctrl+N. Press Shift plus Delete to delete files or folders permanently. Alright children, now we shall see how to create a file. The most common way to create file is by using any application software.
Open MS Word. You will get a blank page. Start typing text on the blank page. After completing your work, save your work using the File tab. Then go to Save option. Type a file name in the file name box and click on the Save button. This creates a new file.
Let us now find out how to create a folder. Right-click once in the blank area of the desktop.
A shortcut menu appears. Select the new option. A list of sub-options appears.
Click on the folder option. A new folder will be created and displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. A new folder is created. Let me show you how to open a file or a folder.
To open a file or folder, simply move the pointer to the icon of the file or folder and double-click on it. The file or folder will open and you can view its content. Let me now tell you using context menu. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. A pop-up menu appears when you right-click on an icon or desktop. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right-clicking on different areas and objects will display different sets of menus. Let us learn it practically. Right-clicking in the blank area of the desktop. You will see a different menu with Personalize option at the bottom. Using the Personalize option, you can change the background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font, color, etc. and also give various visual effects to them. Right-clicking on the object. When you right-click on an icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The Properties option will be found there at the bottom of the list. You can click on this option to check the properties of that particular icon. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Windows is an easy-to-use and multitasking operating system in which we can interact graphically. Using Computer folder, we can access all the folders and files stored in a computer. The first screen of the Windows that you get after the computer is switched on is known as the desktop. The symbols of the applications displayed on the desktop are called icons. The taskbar has the Start button on its left side and notification area on its right side.